This video, we will guide you on hardware setting for SQL POS. First, let's introduce on the receipt printer. So this is the receipt printer, and as you can see, in the receipt printer, there is a few ports behind the receipt printer. So the first port is actually the network cable that connected to your cash drawer. So this is your network cable from your cash drawer. So you just plug in. And the second port is actually the network cable that connected to your LAN. If let's say you got more than one station you need to connect in between, then you may plug in your network LAN cable. And the third is actually the USB port. So this is the USB port, connect to your PC. So just plug in your USB port. And the fourth one is the connected. It's actually similar to the USB connected, but nowadays people mostly using the USB connected. And the last one is actually the power supply. So this is the power supply. Just plug in the power supply. So once you've done it, you may click on the start button. So when you start it already, so as you can see, there's a few lights. So the first light is actually to alert you when you're out of paper. The second is actually the error message, and the third is actually the power on off. You can also click on the fit paper. So now I will show you how to load the receipt. Just click on this button to open the receipt printer. And this is your receipt. This is the front of the receipt, the back. So you just put in this way. Just close it. So as you can see, after you load the paper, there is no more alert for your out of paper. Now I will show you how to test your receipt printer. Is it working? So very simple. Just click on the fit. Just hold it and then turn on your receipt printer and release the feed button. So just wait for a few seconds. If your receipt printer is printed this out, which means your printer is working fine. But if let's say your receipt printer is didn't print out anything, which means your printer might have some issue already, you might need to do maintenance on your printer. Thank you. Now I will show you how to install your receipt printer driver. So just download your driver, double click, click on next, install. So once you install complete, just click on OK and exit. So before you click on finish, if you don't want to restart your PC, just click on no and finish. So once you have installed completely for your receipt printer, you may go back to your SQL POS. Just click on setting. So in the setting, click on device. So from the device, click on select to choose your printer and just click on OK. You can also click on the test button. If you would like to with cutter, just click on test. And if you have a cash drawer, you can just click on the test. So as you can see, the cash drawer will be automatic keyed out. Now let's try to go to the control panel and then go to the device and printer. So in the device and printer, for example, this is my receipt printer. I just right click, go to printer properties. So from the printer properties, I can click on print test page. So as you can see, the receipt will be automatic printed out, and also the cash drawer will be automatic keyed out.